Welcome back to Primetime News. Up first this evening, the Manchester Municipal Corporation says it's finally identified the cause of the flooding on Ward Avenue in Mandeville. But before addressing the problem, there's a major hurdle to get over. It has been the biggest mystery, which the local authorities in Manchester had been unable to solve for years, finding the source behind the flooding on Ward Avenue in Mandeville, which has been frustrating commuters, motorists, and business operators whenever it rains. A $62 million investment was made into fixing the drainage system by the National Works Agency NWA, but the problem persisted. However, on Thursday, Mandeville Mayor Donovan Mitchell says after a thorough investigation, it was revealed that a Mandeville businessman is responsible. The mayor says the municipal corporation's lawyer have written him, but he's reportedly refused to accept the notification letter.
On or about the end of 2023, Tycon Resources Company Limited, by its agents and our servants, unlawfully blocked the drainage system with concrete. This interference with the drainage system has resulted in significant disruption in the proper drainage and management of water flow in the area and poses a threat to public health and safety.
The municipal corporation is planning to gain access to the premises on Sunday with the police.
We hereby demand that Tycon Resources Company Limited immediately cease and desist from any further obstruction or interference with the drainage system that runs through the subject property, and inform that the Manchester Municipal Corporation, acting within its rights under the restrictive covenants, hereby give notice that it will access the property within 5 days of receipt of this letter to remove the obstruction and to restore the effective use of the drain.
TVJ News tried to reach the businessman in question for comment, but we were unsuccessful. Mayor of St. Catharines